We'll try to show you this liner here come out of a old outdoor cooker. So if you can find one of those, you can find them about anywhere. Yard sales, online marketplaces. Like, yeah, even if you wanted to pay, a couple dollars for a working cooker and you didn't really need it, you could use this. This is perfect. If you have like stubborn chert gravel, which has got a lot of clay content and stuff in it, this works perfectly. Put this in a 5-gallon bucket. Fill the 5-gallon bucket about half full of water, and then you can sit there and I'm gonna try to do it with one finger. I don't know if I can pick it. I can't pick it up with one. Yeah. See? And you can just go back and forth like that, and it washes all the smalls out of your gravel into the other bucket, and then you can clean the other bucket, the small separating the biggest. And you can just keep doing that over and over again, and it keeps getting lower and lower and lower. The technique that I learned, I'm doing that with one finger, but it's a technique that I learned that it helps so much. And like, fossils will fall out. The small fossils will fall out, and you have to make sure that you sift and clean everything that you get. But it's a whole lot easier separating the trash, a lot of the trash that's in here, and the bigger stones. And then this huge dirt clog right here, I have to get out of here. But it's just a technique that I learned on my own that helps separate the large from the small, and it's an easy technique. You can just sit here. I mean, hey, you notice, I'm doing it with one finger, and I'm not out of breath. It's so easy to do, and it gets all the big, it separates the big from the small, and it makes it much easier to clean the material once you're done. And you can go as fast, slow as you want. Doesn't matter. See, then you can just clean out your trash and whatever, and when you bring it out, Oh. Okay, I was just showing you a technique I use for cleaning the rich clay chert gravel. Have a good day.